In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for beginners. We'll walk through getting started from scratch, asking your first question, and making the most of the built-in features so you can get clear, reliable answers fast. First, open your web browser and head to the official Perplexity AI website. If you're on a phone or tablet and already have the app installed, you can open the Perplexity AI app instead. Both roads lead you to the same experience, so choose whatever's most convenient. If you'd like a shortcut, I've placed a direct link to the website and the app download right at the top of the description for easy access. Next, sign in or create your account. If you already have an account, click Log In and enter your email and password securely. If you're new, click Sign Up and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to verify your email or accept terms. Just complete those steps to finish setup. Take a moment to use a strong, unique password and avoid sharing any personal credentials on screen. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your home base. Front and center, you'll see a search or prompt box. This is where you talk to the AI. Think of it like starting a conversation. The clearer your request, the better the response you'll get. Now, ask your first question. Type a specific prompt into the box. You can request explanations, summaries, comparisons, or how-to guidance. When you're ready, press Enter or tap Ask. Perplexity will generate a response for you and in many cases, show helpful references so you can see where information comes from. Take a moment to review the answer carefully. If it's close but not quite there, refine it. Ask a follow-up question, clarify your goal, or request more detail. Iteration is key. Short, targeted follow-ups usually yield the most accurate and useful results. Depending on your plan, you'll also see extra features like summaries, research help, and step-by-step instructions. Use summaries to condense longer articles, research help to gather sources efficiently, and step-by-step instructions when you need a clear, ordered walkthrough. These tools can save you time and improve accuracy, especially on complex topics. When you find an answer you want to keep, copy it, save it to your notes, or share it with teammates. This is great for study guides, briefs, or quick reference. Finally, stay updated. New features roll out regularly, so check for updates to get the latest capabilities and improvements. That's it. Simple, quick, and powerful. Thanks for watching.